Hello guys, we are dealing about the topic that is searching capabilities in information retrieval system. Okay, we have seen search capabilities proximity in last video. Now we are going to see CWP means what? Continuous word phrase. Okay, here this is one of the capability in a searching process. So, a continuous word phrase is both a way of specifying a query term and a special search operator. Okay, where it is taking two words, that is what it is specifying the query term, and it is going to have the special search operator. So, in this continuous word phrase is two or more words that are treated as a single semantic unit. Okay, two or more words are going to treated as a single semantic unit. For example, see here, United States of America. Okay, when you see differently, it is having four words: United States of America. Okay, so here what happened, this is a single semantic unit, that is a country name. Okay, so that is what we have to apply the adjacent term here, that is ADJ. So United ADJ States ADJ of ADJ America, then only it is going to display about the country. Okay, so here we have to apply a searching operator called ADJ. So see, in this, when you start searching about United States of America, generally you have typed that United within 5 words of American. Just you typed about United, then what happens, it would hit on United States and American interest, United Airlines and American Airlines, or United States of America and American Dreams. Okay, when you type this United and America, what happens? These words are going to display. In that, what is the relevant thing for you? United States of America. Okay, so how to search? Here I am searching about Venetine adjacent blind. Then it would find the terms that mentioned are Venetine blind on a window, but not items discussing on a blind Venetine. Okay, so the searching process also very important. Another example, nuclear within 0 paragraphs of cleanup would found terms that have nuclear and cleanup in the same paragraph. Okay, but not the actual information is not displayed. Okay, so for that, how you have to search, you have to give a adjacent ADJ which is in your proximity. Okay, in this search, continuous word phrase search, we are going to use this proximity. Okay, so here the continuous word phrase also acts like a special search operator that is similar to proximity, that is adjacency. Okay, so here continuous word phrase are also called literal strings in WAIS and extract phrases in retrieval where. Okay, this CWP is also called literal string in bias and extract phase in retrieval where, that is nothing but in boolean and natural language. Okay, so boolean means, you know what is boolean? Yes or no, true or false. Okay, 0 or 1. And if you are having natural language means natural, general one. Okay, So here multiple adjacent operators are used to define a literal string. Okay, next we are having fuzzy search. This is also one type of searching. In this, it is going to locate the spellings of words similar to the entered search term. Okay, what you are doing here, you are going to locate the spellings. It is mainly concentrating on the spellings of the words. Suppose example, if you are having computer, computer means it may come computer, 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 compute, etc. Like words are also going to be displayed. Okay, so for that purpose we are using this fuzzy ranking. Okay, here we are going to use um, ranking process. So alternative spellings, and if it is a valid word with a different meaning, it include it in the search with a low ranking or not included in the all. Okay, systems all allow the specification of a maximum number of new terms that the expansion includes in the query. Okay, in this fuzzy searching, it maximum utilization in a system that accept items that have been optical character read, OCR. Okay, why? Because in OCR process, hard copy item is scanned into a binary image that is usually resolution of 300 dots per inch or more. So we are taking OCR process. In this pattern recognition process that segments the scanned in image into meaningful subregions. Okay, for this purpose, we can search images also in this fuzzy searching. It is oftenly considered a segment, the area defined a single character. Okay, OCR process will then determine the character and translate it into an internal computer encoding. Example, ASCII or some other standard Latin based language. Okay, it is going to determine the character and it is going to translate it into internal computer encoding. Okay, based upon the original quality of the hard copy, this process introduces errors in recognizing the characters. Okay, so we are getting some errors with this OCR. So what happens with decent quality input, systems achieves in the 90 to 99% range of accuracy, but not 100%. Okay, so these character errors throughout the text, fuzzy searching allows location of the items of interest. Okay, compensating for the erroneous characters. Okay, for erroneous characters, for compensating, it allows the location of the items which are present in the system. Okay, that is nothing but in this fuzzy algorithm it is going to use the spellings, but it is not clear. When you go to the hard copy, it is not going to be clear. Thank you.